Okay then, now let's look at the envelope tool in Audacity. This is going to help you to change the volume levels of a particular audio clip. You just need to go up here, you'll find envelope tool, and that enables you to set little control points on your waveform, and you can just drag these. If you go narrow, that's reducing the volume, and you'll see you've got a nice fade there. You add another one and you pull it back up, and that's the volume coming back up again. So you're just manipulating the shape of the waveform, and that is changing the volume levels as well. So it's a very easy way to just tweak those volume levels, especially when you're working with music and speech at the same time. So that's the envelope tool in Audacity. And if you're looking for a brilliant, simple but powerful Audacity alternative, be sure to check out Alitu, where you could automatically remove long pauses and filler words from your audio. You could also easily chop out mistakes or unwanted segments. It even has text-based editing, where automatically generated transcripts can be edited like a Word doc, which chops out the corresponding audio. And you could also piece together podcast episode segments using Alitu's drag and drop episode builder tool before publishing to Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and anywhere else you get your podcasts, all directly from inside the Alitu interface. Alitu is the all-in-one podcast maker tool, and you could try it out yourself for free at alitu.com. That's ALITU.com.